my new computer game. It is called Back to the Ancient World.
Sounds fun!
Yes, it is fun. Let's play together. Oh no, we're in the game.
Don't worry, Lucy. Boys, let's see what we have.
Okay, what is our mission?
We will travel through the ancient world to get treasure in each place. Olive wreath in ancient Greece, cat statue in ancient Egypt, ceramic vase in ancient China, gold coin in ancient Rome, and Inca mask in ancient America. Once we collect all of them, we will get the magic key to come back to our time.
Where are we going first, Charlie?
Ancient Greece. Let's win the ancient Olympic Games and get the treasure, the olive wreath.
Oh, I like that. I always watch the Olympic Games on TV.
Great, Sam. But the Olympic sports are different here. We have chariot racing, wrestling, and discus throw.
Can I play first, please?
Sure, Amy. Go, Amy, go, Amy.
Wow, she is wrestling well.
Yes, she is. Look, she is easily lifting up her rival, and she is winning this game. Hooray!
My turn.
He is picking up the discus.
Oh, it looks heavy.
He is spinning around quickly and throwing it. He is in first place. Great! I am going next.
Good luck, Lucy.
The race is beginning. Lucy is 14th now.
But her rivals are moving slowly.
She is passing them by carefully.
Lucy is already 7th, 6th, 5th.
She is speeding up.
Yes, she is 3rd, 2nd, and she is reaching the finish line. She is the 1st.
Hooray!
Nice job, my friends. Time to get our treasure.